Marcia Taylor with Century 21 Lemac Realty in Mountain Home, Arkansas, presents this absolutely cute bungalow in downtown Cotter, Arkansas. This home is located on a large lot with a garage and a fenced backyard, and it's just blocks from Big Spring Park and access to the White River. Let's join Marcia and Heather and take a look.
Good. I'm excited to see this cute little home in Cotter,
Arkansas. Yes, indeed.
Right down the road from the White River, and where you can go fishing. You have Cotter Spring. You can go swimming there in the middle of the hot summer. So, Marcia, tell us a little bit about this home.
This home is about almost 1,600 square feet, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And I'm looking forward to you guys being able to see it. It also has a garage, which is very
rare. Yeah.
Hey, John.
Look at this.
We get to see you.
Yes.
Isn't this nice?
Oh, boy.
And someone, if they wanted to, could enclose this.
That's right.
Yeah.
Why would you want to? It's so nice.
I know, you can feel the breeze coming through like today, and
Wave to your neighbors if they walk by.
We actually live in this neighborhood, and
We won't hold that against the house.
oh no. But when my husband first moved over here, he saw little kids with their floaties walking down the street and going down to the Cotter
Spring.
Cotter Spring.
That's ideal.
Yeah, he
I
said,
love that about a good small town.
Isn't it wonderful? Come on in. Okay, so we're going to talk. This is the living room right here.
I love these floors.
I do. They're bamboo.
So I see the kitchen there, but you guys are going to start over here at the other side of the house.
Yes.
We are.
This is an amazing room, though. Let me give everybody a look at how big this room is.
Plenty of room for entertaining.
So there's the front door and the screened-in porch that we were just on.
And then that would typically be your dining area down there.
Good size.
Yes.
Oh, my God. Oh,
And hardwood siding.
what we got here?
This is a bedroom. Which also does have the washer and dryer.
But if you wanted to move the washer and dryer, you
That's
could.
possible.
And then you'd have 3 closets.
That's it,
Or you could put your desk if you worked from home.
right here.
Could be an office.
Could be. And you've got
Big size laundry room.
2 closets.
Yeah. Or a walk-in closet, since your laundry's here. Lots of
That's
possibilities.
not a bad idea, Heather.
All right, John, since you talked about the kitchen, we might as well check it out.
All right. This carries all the wood beams from the living room.
Yes,
Yes.
it does.
Look at all that counter space and cabinets.
Gosh.
I love that sink.
And it's nice and big and it's double and deep.
Look at that gas range.
And,
And
these
Marcia,
appliances
are they-
all stay.
That's what I was about to ask.
Yes, indeed.
High-end microwave.
That's right, yes. I like that they all match.
I do too.
Heather, look, it's lunchtime. How about giving us some burgers?
All right, I can do it. Marcia, do we got any utensils
We don't have
and stuff?
any utensils, Heather.
Marcia, what could you do with this room?
You could use this as a breakfast room, or you could use this as an office, or you could use it as a sitting area.
Or I see that it's already wired for a dryer. It could be.
That's correct.
That's right.
Right off the kitchen, though, I think this is a beautiful breakfast nook. What's the view look like here?
Let me move out of your way.
Oh, my. More of Queen Cotter.
And you can see the fence out there.
Yeah.
That's a nice
We have,
fence.
breakfast here. And there's the backyard. All fenced in. Kids playing.
We still have a lot more to look at.
Yes, we do.
Oh my.
And bamboo in several areas here. We've got bamboo in this room.
This could be a family room, sitting
She
room,
used it as
craft
a
room.
craft room. Correct.
There's a pole bath there.
Uh-huh.
And then
Overlooks the backyard.
more view.
Well, Marcia, where's the primary bedroom?
The primary bedroom is over here. Why don't we take a look?
Oh, so you can access it from the living room or from back here.
From back there, that's correct.
This is a large
And you've
look.
got a nice, very nice sized closet, double.
Yeah,
Is that a walk-in closet?
I bet I could step in it, but
Walk in.
we have another surprise right through this door in here. So
This is our primary bathroom and primary closet.
Here.
got
There's your humble.
doubles. And here is your walk-in closet.
Oh, this is a walk-in.
Check this out. It keeps going.
Oh my.
A lot of space in here.
All the built-ins, storage. And then more.
Well, I was thinking you could put some more storage over here.
Yeah, we need more storage.
I know. Or a vanity. That's what I would put.
Or a nice little chair
That's right.
to
Yeah.
sit in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Marcia.
Shall we? Hey, John.
I feel like this would be a good game room.
That would be a
Yeah.
perfect thing for this room.
Could put a pool table, ping pong.
Or family room.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
It's a perfect family because as big as it is, it has those double doors going right on
Yes.
To a patio.
Oh boy, this is perfect. You can be like grilling out there and come in here.
Yeah.
Kids can be out playing. Let's see.
Yeah. A giant playroom.
Yeah.
Yes. So,
Water in the summer.
yes, and this is the patio.
The yard is very nice. I like that you have some shade and
It's a nice size yard.
Yeah.
For people that have dogs, it's very nicely fenced.
right.
Or kids.
And you've got the garage and a little storage area over
John, why
here.
don't you go take a look at that?
You put all your garden tools, your work stuff in here.
Oh, yeah. I'm still amazed with this yard, how big it is in Cotter.
Yes?
I mean, who has a yard where you can play football in Cotter? No, and this is so nice.
John, you're exaggerating just a tad.
Oh, I can see a couple of 8-year-olds throwing football here, no problem.
Okay.
Here's the garage.
With an automatic door and concrete floors.
Right off the alley back.
Pretty nice to have this to keep your car covered.
And some extra bamboo flooring
Oh, good to have
in
extra of
case you
those.
need it. And John, all of the homes in Cotter, in downtown Cotter, have alleys behind them.
Well, that's a safety issue to some extent, but it's also convenient for you.
It's very convenient.
All right, Marcia, well, I enjoyed seeing this lovely home. So what did you think?
It's a great property. It's a wonderful little property. Make somebody a very nice home.
That's right.
Yep.
Yeah.
If you'd like to know more about this lovely home or to arrange a showing, contact Marcia Taylor at 901-490-4828. Marcia Taylor, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.